Aldona village is now under attack. You remember some time back I took a video and shared it online that the village of Moira, a proposal had come from the director of Panchayats stating that the government of Goa proposes to notify Moira village as urban village. A reference was made to the January 2020 notification where 56 villages had been notified as urban villages under the Goa Land Revenue Code. After huge public outcry, including objections raised by me, that notification was withdrawn by a subsequent notification issued in February 2020, 20th February 2020. Now, when I issued that video, I pointed out that in this list of 56 villages, in my constituency, there are two villages. One is Moira village and the other one is Aldona village. And I had warned that Aldona village would be next, and that has come true. The director of Panchayats has now communicated with the village Panchayat of Aldona, asking them for comments on the same proposal of declaring Aldona village as an urban village under the provisions of the Goa Land Revenue Code. I am completely against this urbanization. I am completely against the destruction of our villages, including my Aldona village, and I don't want that to be destroyed. We need to come together in one voice and we need to oppose it. The notice of the Aldona village Panchayat calls for a special Gram Sabha meeting, which is called an extraordinary Gram Sabha meeting, on 28th June 2026 at 9:15 a.m. Please note, it is on Sunday 28th June 2026 at 9:15 a.m. I call upon each and every member of the Gram Sabha of Aldona to please come forward to join us into this at this Gram Sabha and to oppose the sinister plan of the government to declare Aldona village as an urban village under the provisions of the Land Revenue Code. हांव कोंकणीन हें आमंत्रण करता लोकांक की आमचे आल्दोना गांव आसात ते सरकार अर्बन म्हूण करूंक सोदतात. अर्बन म्हणलेले शहरा भाशेन करूंक सोदतात. ते बिल्डरांक फायदो जातलो, ते सरकाराक फायदो जातलो आनी तुका आनी आमकां आमी बेश्टे लोक आहात ते आनी आमकां कसले इंट्रस्ट ना तेन्ना आमकां कांय फायदो नासतलो. आमगे टॅक्स वाडटले आनी सगळे म्हारग जाता आमकां. आनी येतले व्हडले बिल्डींग घेतले, बांदतले थिंगा आनी वयल्यान आमकां सेटबॅकाचे आनी सगळे रुल्स मागीर सांगतलो तुमकां ग्राम सभान. कसलो डिजास्टर आमच्या आल्दोना गांवांत जातलो. आमी सगळे हें ओपोज करूंक जाय आनी हें दिवपाचें न्ही. तुमकां सगल्यांक मागता, जाणटे कोण तरणाटे आसात ते कोणू आसात ते मातशे येयात तुमी 28 तारखे जुना म्हयन्याचे 9:15 पॅरीश सेंटर हॉल आल्दोना. थिंगा ग्राम सभाचे एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी जनरल बॉडी मिटींग आसा. सो मातशे तुमी येयात आनी आमी सगळे एकठांय ओपोज करुया आनी आमी सरकाराक सांगया आमकां नाका म्हूण हें अर्बन केल्लें म्हूण. देव बरें करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.